Hello, do you know this brand's remote control, like Nice Block, BFT, Door Hand? Here we have three hot-selling models remote control. 433 frequency, and it can copy two PCs remote in one by press second button and third button to change the channel. And it can copy below brand. This one can copy below brand remote control, and the frequency is 433 frequency. This one is multi-frequency 2A0 to A60. It can copy almost rolling code remote control like Nice Block, BFT, and Door Hand. I'm going to the live stream at 16 p.m. on Friday. I will show you how to copy below brand remote control and their features. Looking forward to seeing you there. We will prepare the gifts and the coupons on our live stream for you.